Hey everybody, Dr. Rodman of Sports Chiropractic here, and I want to start this video out by saying that first of all, I love yoga, I love Pilates. I think it's great. I think everyone should be doing that in their life. And some of the best patients' backs, spines, musculoskeletal systems that we see have been doing yoga, Pilates their whole life. But that being said, we just had a patient who came in with an injury from yoga, and a lot of times it's from overstretching or maybe not knowing exactly what could be a problem. So let me show you what she did. And it was something called a spinal rotation. And if we take a look at the spine, when you extend, if you look at these bones right here, these are called the facet joints. When we extend, you can see that they get closer together and they're kind of hitting each other now, especially if you extend and rotate. So what she was doing on the spinal rotation was getting into this position here, and she was rotating but also extending. So she was actually doing that orthopedics test called Kemp's test, which we use to provoke the spine. So this is definitely a great stretch for people, but what they say is you want to stay long, and from here, now you want to rotate. So you don't want to actually extend back and then rotate. So if you're doing yoga or if you're just looking for a good lower back stretch, this is a great one for you, but just make sure you're staying nice and tall when you rotate.